Hello everyone, hope you all are having a blessed day and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Empties and mini reviews. And we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to start with candles today. So first up we have the River Rock. Also there'll be a ton of other additional Dollar Tree links in the description box, so definitely check those out. Keep you busy the rest of the summer and into fall, definitely. So this candle is number 3 in this little black frosty kind of candle series, and 3-ounce candle. It's a soy blend candle. This was okay, no throw really, very light and faint. It burnt very nicely, so I recommend it on that base alone, but just know it doesn't have a super throw. This candle is the Joy candle, and they have several in this little series as well. As you can tell, soy blend candle as well, burnt phenomenal. Very light scent, but overall I did like this scent. It's like a citrusy kind of scent. This was kind of like a musky, woodsy-ish scent. Now this one, I love these cork candles. They're so cute. It just says Born to Shine. All these candles are from the Old Williamsburg Scented Candle Company. Light scent as well. A little girly sweet. Cute packaging though. I think these make great gifts. Other candles that make great gifts are the candles that look like this, like Mermaid Dreams Pink Sands. So let's give this a quick sniff. It's literally what it does. Definitely remind me of a beachy scent. Burnt nicely, not a big throw as well. I mean, you know, I love testing these candles out, but honestly a lot of times they don't have great throws. Next is Unicorn Magic, and I just think these would make great Christmas gifts, birthday gifts for little girls, teenagers even, and women who like unicorns and mermaids and shiny hollow things, because this is awesome. Sugared Marshmallow. This definitely smelled like a vanilla scent, and it burnt nicely. This one I liked more than the Pink Sands. Next up, I have one of the coffee candles. I just think these, once again, are really adorable. Imagine putting this candle in a basket with a coffee mug, some coffee, maybe some creamer, and giving it as a gift. Right? How adorable is that idea? So this is Old Williamsburg, and this is the Colombian Cold Brew. I love the scent. It burnt amazing. Very strong coffee ground kind of scent. Highly recommend the Colombian Cold Brew candle. This was awesome. Last candle I have here is the Old Williamsburg Guava Coconut. I'm showing this candle last because not only did it burn great, but the scent on this is very good. It has a very nice throw. I actually went back and purchased 2 or 3 more of these while they still had them. And it is what it says. It's like a guava scent. It smells so good. It is what it is. It is like a guava scent. That's the highest note you get from this. It's overpowering the coconut, to be honest, but I don't care. This thing had a great throw. It smelled the whole kitchen and the living room up for $1, and you really can't beat a candle like that. So definitely pick this scent up if you haven't already. Another gift basket idea here. Tie like a burlap ribbon or something, some kind of nice cute ribbon around your jar here. Put this in a basket and add pink themed Bolero products from the Dollar Tree to that basket and give it for Mother's Day, birthdays, Christmas. Very cute ideas. Throughout the year I end up stocking up on little things like that I think will make good gifts. And then at Christmas time I hardly have to do any shopping besides for Connor, and even then I start his Christmas early as well, so there's that. The rest of the stuff is kind of like bath and beauty kind of themed stuff. I always repurchase the cotton balls from Assured. They're great. I don't purchase any other cotton balls or cotton rounds now, for that matter. You get 100 cotton balls and 80 cotton rounds for $1. These work phenomenal. They don't really tear apart, fuzz very bad. I mean, they do fuzz, but not as bad as some other brands that I've actually used and paid more money for. These are repurchased all the time. I absolutely love those. I do have some razors here. I have 2 packs of the Assured brand 6-blade. These are great. I haven't had any nicks or cuts with these. They perform nicely, close shave, they're 6-bladed, and I think overall 2 for $1 6-blade razors, not bad at all. They perform great. I love these during the summer especially. 3-count pack of the Assured brand 5-blade razors. Once again, these perform very nicely as well. Very close shave, no nicks or cuts ever with these. and for me personally. And the next product I show you will be what I actually use with these razors, and the combination is great. Like if you want a nice, smooth, very soft, silky shave, do this. So I buy, in the summer, I always use conditioner to shave with. This is the White Rain Moisturizing Conditioner, Coconut and Hibiscus. You can pretty much dry shave with this. No water needed except for your razor cleaning it off or whatever. And you use this to shave with in place of creams and gels. And I'm telling you guys, you'll thank me if you didn't already know this hack, because it is so easy. You can quickly shave, and very nice, close, silky smooth shave. Try it. Changed my mind. Anyone else watch Steven Crowder sometimes? Sometimes we do. Okay, more bath stuff. I have some bath bombs. So from Spa Naturals, 3 bath bombs in the Lavender Dream scent. I actually really like this one. Connor likes this one. 3 for $1. What's not to love? I will always say that. What's not to love about that? Now, I do want to point out with the Bolero ones, this is the coconut oil and sea salt. Look how tiny the package is. I wish I had one to compare it with, but this now is a 2-ounce pack. And the Bolero ones used to be in a pack as big as this one. And look at the difference. These are huge in comparison to these now. They're downsizing everything at the Dollar Tree, which is okay. I'm still going to go. I'm not, no hate. I mean, I'm sure they've lost money over the years because everybody's now flocking to the Dollar Tree. And we're getting all these great buys and these super-sized packages of stuff. And I get it. I do get it. I'm still going to shop there though, and I'm still going to buy their stuff. So, but the cool thing about these are paraben-free, color-free, and they are really moisturizing. I love these for Connor in the bath, and he's so moisturized after using the Bolero ones anyways that there's no lotion needed. And he loves bath bombs, and he gets moisturized. He's 5, no skin irritations for him either or anything like that, so I love this stuff. Connor, I always repurchase this Paw Patrol body wash for him. It's in the scent berry. It is a nice berry scent. It lathers very nicely. It's a clear kind of reddish, pinkish kind of gel, and it gets the job done. You get 12 ounces for $1. For the bath, it works great. Assured brand hand sanitizer, 10 fluid ounces. Now they are down to 8 fluid ounces, and the refills that they had were 15 ounces, and now they're marked. They are down to 10 ounces. Does that make sense, you guys? Anyways, you can also buy Germ-X right now at the Dollar Tree, so I highly recommend picking that up. It's 8 ounces as well over the Assured brand because it's name brand. But yeah, I always repurchase the hand sanitizer. It's great, it gets the job done, and I have one in every room. I have a Secret deodorant here. I love this deodorant. It's my favorite deodorant. I buy this and repurchase it all the time from the Dollar Tree. I would not pay over $1 for Secret deodorant ever because you can get it at the Dollar Tree all year round. I also like the Lady Speed Stack, the rollerball, but I haven't been able to find that one for a long while, and I ran out. So from Bolero, I have a shower gel, and this is the Watermelon Plus Mint shower gel, and it is paraben free, but you get 16.9 ounces. How cute would this be in a gift basket as well? Like here, once again, let's picture this idea. Like all these products paired with that candle. How cute! And they have pink baskets at the Dollar Tree. Yes, you're welcome. I love Bolero products. This was a bit thin, but it did lather really nicely. The scent did not linger very much or very long, but overall, I did like this, and I would definitely repurchase it, mainly because I love the packaging, I love watermelon, and the scent was nice. The product in there was actually really nice, and I think I will continue to purchase the Bolero shower gels. I got some of these Assured Soft and Gentle Feminine Cleansing Wipes, or cloths, and you get 32 in here. They are 7.4 inches by 5.5 inches, alcohol free, and they're for sensitive skin. And I thought that I would share this with you guys because this is great to use during, you know, your monthly time. They do what they're supposed to do, and I highly recommend checking these out, especially if you're overpaying for flushable wipes or like Summer's Eve, things like that. Definitely recommend the Feminine Cleansing Cloths and the lavender scent from the Dollar Tree. We're coming to an end here. We have some makeup wipes from Bolero. This is the argan oil and avocado. Yeah, maybe the oil. I didn't smell any avocado. They typically are really nice scents though. You get 30 Bolero wipes. These are great wipes though. They remove makeup nicely. They clean your face really well. Super saturated. Always store your wipes down like this so the top one is always super saturated. And all the wipes stay saturated in the pack. Yes, bonus tip there if you didn't know that. And I love the plastic clasp on their wipes. I love that versus the plastic clasp, plastic closure. And this one is the coconut cream and vanilla. I definitely smell a little bit of coconut. These are light scents, but honestly, definitely recommend any kind of Bolero wipe you find. It's totally worth $1. And I've even paid $2 for Bolero and still totally worth the $2. I like them that much. I always repurchase and stock up on Bolero. I literally have a whole bathroom cabinet of Bolero wipes that need to be used up. But next up, these are the Sassy and Chic Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. You get 25 in here for $1. I've done a full review on those, and that playlist will be linked below if you're interested in the full review. But overall, you get 25 wipes. They're 7.4 inches by 7.2 inches. Pretty big. They are, you know, they're like a DollarTree wipe. They're kind of thin, but they are super saturated. They really are. And I did a video, and they remove waterproof makeup like it stays, any kind of makeup, gently and quickly actually. And these are some of the best makeup remover cleansing wipes that I've used from the DollarTree brand themselves. Best ones, and I've tried a lot over the years. So definitely check those out if you're into checking out new makeup wipes. Last item here, and this is the star of the show, to be honest. Like, this is awesome. This is the Caribbean Joe Island Supply Company, I guess, and this perfume is the Sunset Dreams. Amazing. Glass bottle. These retail for about $15 online. If you find any of these scents at Dollar Tree, I definitely recommend them. Give them for gifts, which is why I picked up a bunch of them and gave one for gifts as well. These are amazing. This is not a Dollar Tree perfume. The nozzle is great. The lid sucks, so I kept none of the lids. If you force the lid on, you will bust your sprayer. So the lid is trash. But overall, great product, very cute packaging, and the scents are very strong and linger all day long. Like, I wore this to church and got so many compliments. And they're just nice summery scents right now, but I'm hoping that they'll have more come this fall and winter of different scents. But if you find any of these, definitely, amazing perfume for $1. You cannot beat it. So that's my Dollar Tree empties. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful, found some products that make you want to go to the Dollar Tree and try out. And I thank you guys always for watching. Check that description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Thank you always for watching, and stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.